ADA, we start with daily chart. Just I want to give a quick update. If you refer to our analysis, we mentioned if the price drop 1.7, then we can expect the price drop to 1.4, following by 1.2. And as we can see, almost the price near to 1.7, because we mentioned we don't want to price enter this zone. No, if the price broke 1.4, then mostly we can see the breakout of the 1.2 as well. And we mentioned we want to look for this one as a flat. That's why I mentioned if you get any reversal for buy, we'll take it. And we have been looking for this one as an internal correction relative to this and this. All right. But how about if you refer to the indicators? We cannot refer to the divergence. Because one of the MACD doesn't show us, but the another indicator showing me the divergence. Anyway, we are more interested to look for the reversal, but based on daily chart, we don't see any confirmation for the reversal. That's mean we don't have any trade setup for buy. And if you move to forward chart, even based on forward chart, just this part, we can look for the divergence for the last one. And here we have a divergence. That's mean if we, and that's mean still we can look for continuation. Any trade for sell is a short term. And if you want to look for sell, we have to look for this kind of the correction. All right. What we are more interested, we're more interested to look for buy. But at this point, I don't see any trade setup for buy. And even if I move to 1 hour chart, all right. And if we want to look for buy, we have to look for the reversal as a short move flag. But if, I mean, at this point, I don't see any trade setup for buy. And mostly if anyone wants to look for sell, the only option is to put their entry below this and look for the next drop. And as I say, I'm not really interested to look for sell. I'm more interested to look for buy. How about if we get a flag here? If we get the flag here, either based on 1 hour or 15 minutes, we can take the trade and put our stop loss from somewhere around 1.4 below this, right? And with the breakout of the previous stop, we move our stop loss to break even. Okay, but as I say, at this point, I don't see any trade setup for buy. If we get the flag here, and it's not really good trade, mostly it's a short-term trade. As long as we get into the profit, we move to a stop loss to break even. But in terms of the risk, is very low risk. In case this is the start of the up move and this one can break 1.6, it can give us really good trade setup. I mean, a really good trade. All right. By the way, again, we don't have any trade for buy. The best things is if we see the reversal as a short move flag, we take the trade and we see the kind of breakout of 1.6. But what I can say is here we have to wait. The best things is we wait and see what we will get then before we make a next trade. All right. And the only thing is if we get a flag here, maybe we can consider to look for the short-term buy. Anyway, we don't have any trade set up for buy, and we don't see really good information that can give us a reversal point. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.